Looking to ditch the gas can and go electric with your lawn care? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best battery electric lawn mowers that actually deliver results. These aren't just random picks. They're backed by real forum discussions and trusted reviews from people who've actually used them. Whether you're tired of pull starts or just want cleaner, quieter mowing, we've got you covered. All the Amazon links are down in the description. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch. And this little powerhouse is perfect if you're working with a smaller yard or you just want something that won't kill your back. This thing weighs in at 35% lighter than comparable mowers, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around tight corners and obstacles. The 40-volt system gives you about 35 minutes of continuous runtime, which covers up to half an acre on a single charge. That's plenty for most suburban lawns. The Smart Cut technology automatically adjusts the cutting height with a single lever across 5 positions ranging from 1.25 to 3.375 inches. What really impressed me during research was the charging speed. You get a full battery charge in just 2 hours, which means you can knock out your lawn in the morning and have it ready for touch-ups by afternoon if needed. The whisper-quiet operation, under 75 decibels, means you can mow early without waking the entire neighborhood. Here's something to consider, though. The 16-inch cutting deck is narrower than standard mowers. If you've got a larger yard, you'll be making more passes to cover the same ground. It'll take you longer than a 21-inch deck would. But here's the kicker. You're looking at around $200 to $300, which is absolutely unbeatable for a quality cordless mower. Plus, that battery works with over 75 other Greenworks tools, so you're investing in an entire ecosystem. For small to medium yards and budget-conscious buyers, this is a home run. At number 4, we're looking at the Toro Recycler 22-inch 60V Max, and this is their latest 2026 model. Toro's reputation in lawn care isn't hype. This mower brings some seriously smart features that make your life easier. The auto-drive transmission is the standout here. This thing automatically adjusts the mower speed to match your walking pace, so you're not constantly fighting with speed controls. Just walk naturally, and the mower keeps up perfectly. The smart battery technology is equally impressive, with built-in software that adjusts power output based on grass thickness. You're getting up to 45 minutes of runtime per charge, covering nearly half an acre depending on your grass conditions. The cutting performance rivals a 160cc gas engine, thanks to Toro's quality recycler deck, which absolutely excels at mulching. That 22-inch deck is wider than most competitors, so you're covering more ground per pass. Here's the consideration. At 45 minutes maximum runtime, you're getting slightly less battery life than some competitors on this list. If you've got a lawn pushing beyond half an acre, you might need to pause mid-mow for a recharge or invest in a second battery. What makes this compelling is the gas-like feel. The handle design and controls are deliberately modeled after traditional gas Toro mowers, which makes the transition to electric feel completely natural. Priced around $650 to $750, you're in the mid-range sweet spot. Professional quality without the professional price tag. Landing at number 3 is the Greenworks 60V 21-inch Pro model. Greenworks is consistently ranked as one of the top 3 electric mower brands alongside Ego and Milwaukee, and this Pro line shows exactly why they've earned that reputation. The Smart Cut technology is the real MVP here. It automatically monitors your grass conditions in real time and adjusts the power output for optimal cutting. Dense, thick grass, the mower senses it and ramps up. The dual cutting blade system is another brilliant touch. It dramatically reduces bogging when you hit tall or wet grass that would choke out lesser mowers. Runtime sits at 60 minutes with the 5.0H battery, covering nearly half an acre easily. The rapid charger is ridiculously fast, full recharge in just 50 minutes, so even if you do run out mid-job, you're not waiting all day. Heavy-duty steel cutting deck with 7 height positions gives you serious durability. Here's what caught my attention during research. This is a single battery setup by default. While there's a dual battery port for extended runtime, that second battery is sold separately. If you've got a larger property, factor in that extra cost up front or plan for a charging break. The sweet spot pricing sits around $400 to $500, which is incredible value for what you're getting. You're paying way less than premium brands, but getting nearly identical performance. The LED lights and aluminum handles are nice premium touches you don't usually see at this price point. At number 2, we've got the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. And listen, this is widely considered the absolute best electric mower on the market for professional level quality. Yeah, it costs more, but there's a legit reason contractors and lawn care pros choose this beast. The professional grade power is no joke. This bad boy delivers more torque than a 200cc gas-powered mower, with blade speeds hitting 3,300 RPM. That's serious cutting power that tears through thick, overgrown grass like it's nothing. The steel deck construction sets it apart immediately. Heavy, rock-solid metal instead of the flimsy plastic decks you'll find on cheaper models. The dual battery system is brilliantly engineered. Two 18-volt batteries run simultaneously for 36 volts of operating power and up to 60 minutes of runtime. The high lift mode creates stronger blade uplift than any other battery mower out there, giving you super clean cuts in a single pass. Here's the real talk though. This is the priciest option on our list at around $1,000 to $1,200. That's a serious chunk of change, and if you're just maintaining a small suburban lawn, you're probably paying for power you don't actually need. But here's why it still makes total sense for the right buyer. If you already own Milwaukee M18 tools, you're tapping into compatibility with over 200 products. That battery ecosystem becomes incredibly valuable. Plus, the build quality means this mower will outlast cheaper alternatives by years. For serious homeowners or semi-pro use, worth every penny. And our number 1 pick is the Ego Power Plus Select Cut. And there's a reason this mower consistently dominates best of lists. Ego has been refining battery lawnmower technology for years, and this flagship model represents the absolute pinnacle of what's currently possible with cordless cutting. The Select Cut multi-blade system is revolutionary. You get interchangeable lower blades that let you customize cutting performance based on your exact needs. Want maximum mulching? Swap in the mulching blade. Want better bagging? Different blade. It's like having multiple mowers in one. The high-efficiency brushless motor delivers 6.0 foot-pounds of cutting torque. That's not just matching gas mowers, that's exceeding them. Runtime sits at 60 minutes with the 5.0H battery, and the touch drive self-propelled technology uses palm activation for infinitely variable speed control. It feels incredibly intuitive after the first use. Here's what you should know though. The price sits around $749 to $799, which is premium territory. If you've got a small yard under a quarter acre, you might not need this level of performance. A cheaper model would handle the job just fine. The LED headlights are perfect for early morning or evening mowing. The 21-inch deck with 7 height positions from 1.5 to 4 inches covers all grass types. Ego battery compatibility across 75 plus Ego tools means serious ecosystem value. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Ego battery mowers above top-rated gas models. Those are your top 5 battery electric lawnmowers for 2026. Each one brings something different to the table depending on your yard size and budget. Check those Amazon links in the description and drop a comment below telling me which one you're leaning towards. Thanks for watching.